Number 1. Maxsa Park Right. In 2017, a very interesting study appeared online. According to it, the number of parking accidents is increased globally by 30% in 10 years. But don't worry, the solution to perfect parking is already here. For $19, you can get these mats that you can stick or have mounds in your parking spot. For example, on the floor of your garage. After that, the process is simple. The bumps signal when the driver successfully parks in the right spots. And thanks to the edges, the mat will also collect water, dirt, and sand from the tires, keeping the garage clean. The size is universal 21.5 by 11 inches, and the mat comes with reflective tape and is available in 3 colors. Number 2. Ampere Research Smart Series Powerstep. Another innovation for fans of all things smart is electrically operated running boards that can be controlled via a smartphone app. While you're digesting this incredible idea, let's review its specifications. The running board is 7 inches wide and made of aluminum. It works with iOS and Android and connects via Bluetooth. The manufacturer provides a 5-year or 60,000-mile warranty and mentions that the mounting kit will be tailored to the specific make and model of the car. Plus, you can set the running board to activate when the door is opened. As well as playing around with other settings such as backlighting, it's perfect to improve ground clearance, aerodynamics, and appearance in the description ads. However, the product is pretty expensive at $1,800. Number 3. Anti-skid tire block. Snowfalls are tricky. In December, they disrupted London's airports and got on drivers' nerves. The Royal Automobile Club reports that there were 65% more requests for roadside assistance during the snowfall. Therefore, this accessory will definitely be a great addition to the trunk of British drivers. The model is versatile and suitable for both passenger cars and CVS. The size of the block is 8 by 3 by 1 inch. It'll help avoid slippage even on summer tires. A van or a compact car will be able to get out of mud, sand, or snow, and the installation is fairly simple. So if you want, you can help your neighbors in trouble. The price is about $65. Number 4. Yakima Roadshower. Next is a more functional upgrade that will appeal to camping enthusiasts in particular. After all, what can be nicer than taking a shower after a day out in the open? The most compact model holds 4 gallons and weighs 53 pounds when full. The shape is optimized for a car roof rack. There is a special sticker to keep track of the temperature, and a hose and nozzle are also included. If you need more pressure, you can add an electric pump to the shower as a built-in valve to relieve excessive pressure. Prices start at $450. Number 5. Alloygator Rim Protection. How do you usually picture wheel protection? Maybe like this. Cool, but there is a more compact option. We understand that wheel and tire damage is infuriating and expensive. The manufacturer is right. So why not enjoy the ride by removing the stress and hassle from the trip? After all you have to do is buy the $66 sets of treads. You can find options for wheels from 12 to 24 inches, and you can choose from 14 colors to fit your car's overall style. In addition, the treads will camouflage existing scratches, and the installation system provides compatibility with 98% of wheel and tire combinations. Number 6. Clark Tracks. These tracks are used to improve logging, construction, and other equipment. They're mounted on top of the tires to significantly enhance off-road performance. The manufacturer is willing to pick up tracks depending on the equipment, climate, soils, and other parameters. There are universal and specialized models. For example, the Terra 85 is a 3.3-inch wide and 1.9-inch high track for any terrain. This model is effective all year round and has a low profile, which reduces vibration and operator fatigue. In order to understand how to install the track, you can watch the 90-second video tutorial. The result is about 50% less ground pressure, fuel saving, and extra tire protection. Number 7. Joe Sjblzd-LED 4-in-1. Let's go back to the snow subject for a while. At the end of 2022, Japan was unpleasantly surprised by a snow apocalypse. In some prefectures, snow drifts reached 6.6 feet in height, and searching for one's cars became a real quest for many. So in addition to shovels, local car owners could definitely use this in one system. After all, it will help not only to remove snow, but also to scrape off the ice to inspect the car at night. And, if necessary, set an emergency blinker. The nozzle is made of special foam material, which effectively removes even wet snow without damaging the paintwork. The handle extends from 30 to 49 inches, and the LED light is powered by 2 AAA batteries. With 5 colors to choose from and a price of $20, do you think it's worthy of attention? Number 8. Traxion 5100 Tailgate Ladder. Next on our route is this pickup truck ladder. It's perfect for delivery companies, mechanics, construction workers, logistics personnel, and anyone else who regularly holds a lot of heavy or cumbersome loads. Its load capacity is 300 pounds, is mounted on the tailgate, and doesn't take up space in the bed. It can be installed on either side at heights of 28 to 45 inches, and it's also suitable for trailers. For $61, you can make loading and unloading easier, and you're back well. Number 9. Exoxgear Ecojump. Do you know what a jump starter is? This compact device helps to start the engine when the battery's low. You could see one on your screen. As usual, this is a multifunctional device. The manufacturers took into account that people usually don't need the jump started too often, so they added a flashlight and a power bank function. When performing its main task, the jump starter provides 55,500 megawatt-hours of power. The 15,000 mAh battery lasts for about 40 starts. The flashlight works for about 200 hours on a single charge, and the built-in Bluetooth module allows you to link the device to your smartphone and always know the battery level. And of course, the model is water-resistant, so you can safely take it on a boat or off-road adventures. The price is $130. Number 10. X-Chock Wheel Stabilizer. On the finish line is a curious solution for motorhomes and trailers. It helps you stabilize them when parked by preventing unnecessary swaying and keeping the tires from slipping. It weighs about 11 pounds and fits even into 10-inch wheel spacing, thanks to the ratchet system. It's easy to install. It's all complemented by a rust-resistant coating and an optional padlock security system. The price is $81. If you found this video helpful and want to see more like it, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. We have a lot more great content coming your way.